Alright, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, from Latin America, our favorite cartoon character, Dorado Explorer. And we're now down to Europe. O diba? Grabe oy. World ka sa dating mga cartoon characters. All the way from Europe, we have Sophia the First. Okay, so let's bow down our heads. Be our highness, our queen. O diba?